Hello guys, this is a continuation on the operators. We were previously we've dealt with the arithmetic operators, comparison operators, assignment operators. Let's finish on the comparison operators. And in this case, we'll get D less than E, that is true. True, and true is represented by 1. And the next one, D greater or equal to, that is false. And this is represented by 0. And then the last case you have D less than, that is true. It is represented by 1. Let me comment out this so that you can actually see the comparison operators. Let's run that. Great, let us compare. We have false, true, false, true, false, true. An exchange of false and true. Let us see. So false, true, false, true, false, true. That is right. Let's finish up with the logical operators. And sorry. So the logical operators include the logical AND, which is written as and. That's the logical AND, the logical OR, no, yeah, and then the logical, excuse me, the logical NOT, which negates everything. So the logical AND returns true if both statements are true. Returns true if both statements are true. The logical OR returns true if one of the statement is true, and then the logical NOT negates. So let's have a table and see what we mean. Okay, let me use this to create a table to separate. So let's say we have two statements. First one being true and true, second one being true and false, third one being false and false, the fourth one being false and true. So the first operator, let's use the logical and then the second operator, let's use the logical OR. So in this case, if both statements are true for the logical AND, the return will be true. If for the logical AND, let's first do the AND. If one statement is false, then the return will be false. It needs both statements to be true for it to be true, so the rest are false. For OR, it only needs one truth and it's true, otherwise it's false. So we shall have a couple of truths. There's no true in the third statement, that is false. Then in this case, in the last case, this will be true because you have one true statement. Therefore, let's output some statements and see what we actually mean. Let me comment out all of this. So, and write a couple of printf, what's in caps. Let's have 4 of them or just 3. And we create a variable integer x, no y. Let's use y this time. And we say y is equals to 10. We assign y the value 10. Therefore, in the first one, let's look at the logical AND. So, let's say what we want from this, it's either if you give them a condition, will it be true or will it be false? That is what we want. Therefore, let's use percentage %d because our return value is an integer. Percentage %d, new line for readability, new line. So let's give it a condition. Our y is equals to 10. Therefore, let's say if y is less than 0, is less than 1, and y is greater than or equal to 0, will it be true or will it be false? In the next statement, let's use or. So if y is equal to 10 or y is greater than 10, let's see if it's true or false. And then in the next one, we want to use the logical not. So for the logical not, we'll have everything in brackets and then give in the condition. Let's use the condition we've used in this previous one, which is y equal to 10 or y greater than 10. So this will be negated. If it was true in the previous, it will be false here. So, and then the negation. Let's see what we're expecting in this one. We have y is less for and both have to be true for it to be true. Is y less than 1? No. So of course if there is a false, it will be false. False is represented by a 0. Y is equals to 10, that is true for the or, just 1 needs to be true. Y is greater than 10, this is false, this is true, but you only need 1 true for it to be true. So this will be equal to 1. So if this is equal to 1 and this statement is equal to this statement, therefore negating 1 will be false, therefore this will be 0. Let me comment out this. And let's run. We are expecting 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. That is good job. Okay guys, see you in the next lesson where we'll be tackling conditional statements. Thank you.